Hey guys, I just thought I'd do a little video. I've just completed a washer bottle rejig, and yeah, I don't know. Some people, I think some people might end up in a slightly similar situation to me. Um, the um, the TJM bar, I'll just show you that. That was on the rec that I bought, and it didn't really fit properly, and it wore the corner off the original washer bottle on the wreck, and it was going to do the same to the one on this car. There's also so that was a bit of an issue. There's also you probably well I don't know if I can really show you, but the the original washer bottle kind of, you could say that it sort of protrudes in here, depending on how you want to look at it. And so if you fit bigger tires, I think these were missing it, but they might have been touching through the guard with the original washer bottle there. So I was sort of concerned about that. And the TJM bar wasn't really going to work with this winch mount. This is a Dirt Boys winch mount. I had to do some mods, but it's on. It's working. So I had to redo the mounts because of this. And to be honest, I utterly hated the TJM mounts that were on the bar. Now this is quite an old bar, I think. I think TGM mounts are quite different now. So yeah, they probably hated them too. So yeah, I knocked this up, and I could have trimmed this back, and I could have probably made the original washer bottle work. If I had my time again, I would possibly learn how to plastic weld and work with the original washer bottle. A while ago, I decided to just grab a couple of generic washer bottles, and I kind of had the idea that I could do it this way. I mean, I could just have one, of course, but then you don't have much volume. I did calculate it out. I think the two of these are something like 2/3 the volume of the original, which is, I think this is enough. I like lots of volume. I tend to use it a lot. The original bottle is quite large because it does the headlights as well, or at least does for some models. So the idea is that basically you have one of these mounted on each side, so you'll end up with heaps of clearance, and then you'll need this hose. So I need to get these fittings, and I need to drill a hole, put this fitting in, and then this is what I call the equalizer hose. Yeah, you have to go down. You can't go up, otherwise it won't flow across. So you go down. I went under here, and yeah, obviously I've rigged it up so that the original fill point goes straight into the top here. So basically I fill it up as per normal. Once the bar's back on, you will not really realize that it's any different from original. So I've just hooked into the original wiring. So obviously I've had to wire them both, and I've obviously got the delivery tube supply line. So the kit, these actually came with a T-piece, which made that side of it easy. I just T-pieced. It's kind of hidden in there now, but yeah, it just goes to a T-piece. So the two outputs of the two washer balls goes into the original supply line. So I think it will work. It's obviously a bit complex, but I think it's going to work. And I've checked the pressure, and I would say it's at least as good as the original. It's possibly a bit more. So yeah, I mean, I've sort of got redundancy as well. One could fail, but yeah, I think this is one way to do it, and I think plastic welding would possibly be a nicer way. But this is what I've ended up with, and coming this far, this is what I'll run, and it's going to work.